In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message here on Windows 11. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you keep seeing this pop up, it's usually because Windows is still trying to open the Xbox Game Bar overlay, even if you don't use it. To stop this, essentially what you're going to want to do is select the Start menu down in the very bottom, specifically the search bar, and go ahead and type in System Component Settings and open it up. Once you are on this page, go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see an Xbox Game Bar or just Game Bar option. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is click the three dots right next to it and hit Advanced Options. And once you are in Advanced Options, scroll down to the Background Component Permissions right here and go ahead and switch this to Never. Once you go ahead and switch this to Never, scroll down a bit more and find the Terminate option and just click it to fully stop this service. Once you've done this, restart your PC to make sure all the changes apply. As soon as you do that, you'll be good to go, and you should no longer see the MS Gaming Overlay pop up on Windows 11. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.